Hey guys, yeah, I'm here at the Art in Paradise Museum exhibit here in Pattaya, Thailand. Yes, it's a very exciting place. I did a video a little earlier, here earlier, but I didn't get a chance to go through everything, so I wanted to make a part two. Again, I'm wearing the Hilderbrand lifestyle design t-shirts for you guys who want to support the channel. Like I said, I'm an artist and designer, so I definitely design and create art myself, which is one of the main reasons why I created this channel. So feel free to support. There'll be a description of the t-shirt design here in the description. Yeah, so regular Einstein. How ironic. So they got some really cool murals here in the space. There's Gandhi behind me. Peace, love, and everything. You know, with Gandhi. And and then, you know, my man Ali. Yes. Love his work. Always love his work. Him and MC Escher were two of my favorite, along with Rembrandt and Leonardo da Vinci, whom I share a birthday with. Yes. April 15th. Leonardo da Vinci's birthday. So is mine. Just a different year. Yeah, otherwise I'd be over 100 years old. So yeah, these are just some other areas of the exhibit that I didn't show in part one, so I had to do a part two so that I could show you guys more of the art, and I thought you guys would appreciate that, being able to see more of the art. And yeah, it's a really cool place. Art in Paradise is the actual name of this place. And it's not just artwork where you just walk and you see it on the wall. You can actually take pictures and you become a part of the artwork. And then they have like these three-dimensional creations on the floor and all throughout the ceilings and the wall to make the illusion of death, right? Creating the illusion of death just from the paintings. And I'm gonna walk across this bridge here. Oh wow, this is very intriguing. The bridge is not stable. It's actually kind of like rocky, like, you know, you're going over a real bridge. It's a very unique place, you know. And then here, they've recreated the Venice in Italy, Florence, Italy, and Italy, Florence, Italy, in Italy. Really, really great. So, but yeah. So the canal. And they also have like a recreation of this in the Philippines. There's a mall that actually has a recreation. I forget the name of the mall right offhand, but I did a video on that as well. You guys can go back and look at that video and actually see me in that mall where they recreated the boat experience. So here, they also have like a recreation of a playroom, oversized, large playroom. Again, you can take photos, you become a part of the art. It's not just your typical museum where you walk through the museum and all you do is just observe the artwork. You actually can become a part of the artwork, right? So like me standing in between the legs of Pinocchio. The lying wooden doll, Pinocchio. And here's another experience that they've recreated. So it's really cool, man. The apple, just this whole experience. So like the red chair, like this, I can't show, I'm not showing it really well on this video camera, but there's an illusion of depth here in this exhibit. So, you know, if you were to sit there, you look really small. I wish I could just recreate that for you on video. But you'd have to come. That's another reason why you'd have to come here and experience it for yourself. And then they've made POW some contribution to comic book design. Yeah, it's just a plethora of things to view and observe. So I highly recommend. This is something for any and everybody, right? There's really no age limit. There's no nudity, there's no alcohol, there's no drink. So any and everybody can come. It's a very family-oriented environment. You know, it's great for dates. It's also great for you if you just want to come and look at artwork yourself. So it doesn't always have to be about so much of, you know, it's just something else. It's an alternative of something to do to enjoy yourself, get some enlightenment, get a different experience, right? Actually make it seem or look as if you're actually creating the artwork, like the way that they got this brush here, makes it look as if like I'm doing the painting. I find stuff like that to be cool, you know? Again, this place is not just where you observe the art, but you actually become a part of the art. And to me, that's fascinating. And that's the beauty of art, right? Inclusion. Art can, you know, it can include everyone, right? I mean, as a matter of fact, we're all a part of an artist's experience. The fact that I'm using this camera, that we design websites, interactive experiences through our mobile apps, are all done by artists and designers. So every day that you wake up, whether it's you get on social media or you don't get on social media, you walk down the street, whatever, right? You're experiencing some form of art. So just know that and always remember that. You know, art reflects life and everyone can be an artist. You know, it's a form of expression. Writing, drawing, painting, dancing. It's so many different things that you can do. So I guess we've come to the end of this exhibit because now it's time to buy some artifacts, some more art. Time to buy some art here in Thailand. So I hope you guys enjoyed this tour. It's been my pleasure to bring it to you. Again, this is my design t-shirt. I sell these if you want to support the channel. If not, you can support the channel another way, which is you can like, share, or subscribe. All right? And leave comments below. Let me know if there's any sort of artistic experience or something else that you would like to see here in Thailand or around the world. And maybe I can make a video about it and share it with you guys. Okay? So until next time, peace, love, and everything. All right.